Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the date and time on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure to connect your Mi Band 10 to your smartphone using the Mi Fitness app. Now after you do that, just change the date and time on your smartphone. Just go to your home screen and open settings. Now in the search bar, just search date and time. Now just tap on date and time. Now just change the date and time as you like. Just like that. Now just tap on done. Now just tap on date and change the date as you like. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed the date and time on our Mi Band 10. Now as you can see, as I will enable automatic date and time, it will set the date and time automatically on my smartphone, and the date and time on my Mi Band 10 will change automatically, just like that. And this is how you can change the date and time on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.